What are we making, Gary?
We're making hurricane potato cakes. Salmon potatoes.
Salmon potato cakes, yes. There might be a hurricane coming this way, but these are just salmon potato cakes, and they're gonna be amazing. And stay tuned for the recipe. And how to cook fish perfectly. We have this thing called an air fryer, and oh my gosh, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Wild caught salmon, because that's the freshest, and that's the best for you because it has all the omega-3s. We've got some red potatoes, we've got mustard, we've got Creole seasoning, we've got a little, what's that stuff called?
Cristal.
Cristal, not the champagne. A spicy sauce. It's a hot sauce. That's part of the recipe that Gary has decided to tweak just a little bit. It does call for parsley, but I enjoy dill. So instead of chopping stuff, because I'm not that good at it, I use kitchen shears. So one of the best things you can give your dog, a salmon skin. Can I get a kiss? Thank you. Look at that. I don't know how to tell you enough how much I love this thing. It cooks things perfectly. And it's so easy, and there's no mess, and it's fantastic. I'm sorry.
It works great.
It works fantastic. It really does. What do you think?